If you've ever wondered which air fryer can handle big family meals while still giving you that perfect golden crisp, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best 10-quart air fryer models on the market, comparing design, performance, and real-world results. Whether you're cooking for 2 or 10, these large-capacity air fryers can completely change the way you cook. By the way, I'm honestly super interested to hear which size air fryer you're currently using, so let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious how it's been working out for you. We'll start with the Chefman TurboFry Touch 10-quart dual air fryer, a model that immediately stands out for its sleek design and intuitive control system. When you first power it on, the illuminated digital touchscreen greets you with a clean, modern interface that feels effortless to use. The dual basket layout is the highlight here, allowing you to cook 2 entirely different dishes at once, say crispy fries in one basket and tender salmon in the other, without worrying about flavors mingling. Each basket operates independently, giving you precise control over temperature and timing, and the sync finish feature ensures both sides complete their cooking cycles simultaneously. With a total capacity of 10 quarts, you'll find it perfect for family-sized meals or entertaining guests. As you use the TurboFry Touch, you'll appreciate how evenly it cooks. The Chefman's advanced rapid air circulation system envelops your food in a vortex of hot air, producing a perfect crisp on the outside while keeping the inside juicy and tender. It's a remarkable feeling to pull out a basket of fries that look and taste like they came from a restaurant, all without a drop of oil. The non-stick baskets slide out smoothly, and the transparent viewing window lets you keep an eye on your food without interrupting the cooking process. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly satisfying to use for anyone seeking the best air fryer 10-quart option for daily cooking. The Chefman doesn't stop at air frying, it also roasts, bakes, dehydrates, and reheats, giving you a full range of cooking options in one device. The stainless steel accents lend it a premium look, and the interior light adds a touch of theater to your cooking experience, letting you watch your food reach that perfect golden brown. Cleanup is just as convenient. Both baskets are dishwasher safe, and the non-stick coating ensures that even sticky sauces or crumbs come off easily. You'll find yourself reaching for this air fryer daily, whether you're preparing quick weeknight meals or experimenting with new recipes. Overall, the Chefman TurboFry Touch 10-quart dual air fryer feels like a seamless extension of your kitchen routine. It's designed to simplify your cooking while expanding your possibilities, offering the freedom to prepare healthier meals without compromising on flavor or texture. The combination of dual basket flexibility, powerful air circulation, and easy cleanup makes it a top contender among the best 10-quart air fryer models available today. Moving on, the Power Vortex XL Digital 10-quart Air Fryer Pro offers a different kind of experience, one built around versatility and oven-style functionality. When you open its door, you're greeted by a spacious interior designed to accommodate everything from multiple racks of wings to a full rotisserie chicken. The digital control panel is bright and easy to navigate with a range of preset cooking options that take the guesswork out of meal prep. You can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, or even reheat leftovers with precision, all while enjoying the benefits of rapid air technology that circulates heat evenly for consistent results. The Power Vortex XL's strength lies in its multi-layer cooking capability. With the included mesh racks, you can cook several items simultaneously. Imagine dehydrating fruit on one rack while crisping up vegetables on another. The integrated rotisserie function is particularly impressive, slowly turning your food for even browning and self-basting perfection. Watching a chicken rotate under the heating elements, its skin turning golden and crisp, is a reminder of how far home cooking technology has come. The results are juicy, flavorful, and beautifully textured, all achieved with minimal effort. You'll also appreciate the thoughtful design touches that make the Power Vortex XL easy to live with. The drip tray catches any excess oil or crumbs, keeping the interior clean, while the door opens smoothly for easy access to your food. The compact footprint fits comfortably on most countertops, and the sleek black finish gives it a professional look. The digital timer and temperature controls offer precise customization, so you can adapt the settings to suit your recipes perfectly. Every detail feels considered, from the ergonomic handle to the intuitive interface. Using the Power Vortex XL digital air fryer Pro feels like having a compact convection oven that's faster, cleaner, and more efficient. When you read 10 Quart air fryer review articles, you'll often see this model praised for its even heat distribution and family-friendly capacity. You'll love how quickly it heats up and how evenly it cooks, making it ideal for busy families or anyone who loves to experiment in the kitchen. And actually, I'm genuinely curious, have you ever tried using a rotisserie function in an air fryer before? If you have, let me know in the comments because I'd love to know what you made. Next, the Instant Pot 10 Quart air fryer, also known as the Instant Vortex Plus, brings smart technology and precision engineering to your countertop. The moment you power it on, you'll notice the clean, intuitive touchscreen interface that offers 7 built-in smart programs: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and rotisserie. Each function is carefully calibrated to deliver optimal results, allowing you to switch between cooking modes effortlessly. The Even Crisp technology is the star here, ensuring that heat flows evenly around your food so that every bite is crisp on the outside and tender on the inside. The Instant Pot 10 Quart air fryer is designed for efficiency. It preheats in just a few minutes, so you can go from prep to plate faster than ever. The powerful 1,500 watt heating system maintains a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process, eliminating the need to shake or rotate your food midway. The rotisserie feature is a standout. It turns meats gently under the heating elements, resulting in perfectly roasted chicken with a golden, flavorful crust. The interior light and clear front window let you monitor your food as it cooks, adding a sense of control and anticipation to the process. In terms of build quality, the Instant Pot 10 Quart air fryer feels solid and refined. The stainless steel exterior resists fingerprints, and the interior trays are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The design is compact yet spacious, offering plenty of room to cook for a family without taking up too much counter space. The digital controls are responsive and precise, allowing you to fine-tune your temperature and timing for perfect results every time. It's a machine that feels as smart as it looks, combining convenience with culinary capability. When you use the Instant Pot 10 Quart air fryer, you'll appreciate how seamlessly it integrates into your cooking routine. It's perfect for anyone who values versatility and consistency, whether you're air frying crispy potatoes, baking pastries, or dehydrating fruit. Many 10 Quart air fryer reviews highlight how the Even Crisp technology ensures that every meal comes out evenly cooked and full of flavor, making it one of the most dependable large capacity air fryers you can own. Now let's talk about the Kucadir Air Fryer 10 Quart, a model that combines affordability with impressive performance. The first thing you'll notice is its generous cooking space, which can easily accommodate a full meal for a family of 4 or more. The digital LED control panel is bright and responsive, offering a selection of preset cooking modes that make it easy to achieve consistent results. With a temperature range up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook everything from crispy fries to baked desserts with precision. The timer adjusts in 1-minute increments, giving you fine control over your cooking process. The Kucadir air fryer's advanced air circulation system ensures that heat moves evenly around your food, delivering that satisfying crunch that air fryers are known for. You'll enjoy the experience of pulling out perfectly browned chicken wings or roasted vegetables that are crisp on the outside and soft within. The non-stick basket glides smoothly in and out, and the transparent viewing window allows you to check your food's progress without interrupting the cycle. It's a well-thought-out design that makes cooking intuitive and enjoyable. You'll also appreciate how easy it is to maintain the Kucadir air fryer. The removable basket and accessories are dishwasher safe, and the non-stick coating prevents food from sticking, even after extended use. The appliance's modern, minimalist design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, and its compact footprint makes it easy to store. Despite its affordability, it feels sturdy and reliable, offering a cooking experience that rivals more expensive models. When you use the Kucadir Air Fryer 10 quart, you'll be impressed by how quickly it heats up and how evenly it cooks your food. It's ideal for busy households that want to prepare healthy, flavorful meals without spending hours in the kitchen. It's often mentioned among the best air fryer 10-quart options for those who want value and performance combined, making it an excellent choice for everyday cooking. Finally, we arrive at the Ninja DZ401 Foodi 10-quart DualZone air fryer, a true leader in innovation and performance. The defining feature here is its dual basket design, 2 independent 5-quart cooking zones that let you prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously. Each basket has its own temperature and timer controls, and with Ninja's Smart Finish technology, both complete their cooking cycles at exactly the same time. The Match Cook function allows you to duplicate settings across both baskets for larger batches, while the 6-in-1 cooking functions, air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, cover virtually every cooking need. The Ninja DZ401's 1,690-watt motor delivers rapid, even heat that ensures perfect results every time. You'll love how quickly it preheats and how consistently it cooks, producing food that's crispy, flavorful, and evenly browned. The baskets are spacious, yet easy to handle, with non-stick interiors that make cleanup simple. The crisp control panel is intuitive, and the digital display is bright and easy to read, giving you full command over your cooking process. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Ninja DZ401 is how it enhances your efficiency in the kitchen. You can cook a main course and a side dish simultaneously without juggling multiple appliances or worrying about timing mismatches. The Smart Finish feature automatically synchronizes both baskets, ensuring your entire meal is ready to serve at once. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in everyday cooking, especially when you're preparing meals for a family. Using the Ninja DZ401 Foodi feels like stepping into a new era of home cooking. The combination of dual zone flexibility, powerful heating, and precise control makes it a joy to use. It's the best 10-quart air fryer for those who value performance and reliability, and it consistently ranks at the top of every 10-quart air fryer review for its innovation and ease of use. Whether you're preparing quick snacks or elaborate dinners, it delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. And before we wrap up, I'm honestly super curious to know which of these air fryers you think would fit your kitchen best. So let me know down below. I'd really love to hear your thoughts. So there you have it, the top contenders for the best 10-quart air fryer in 2025. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's the Ninja's dual zone control, the Chefman's sleek design, or the Instant Pot smart technology. Whichever you choose, you'll be cooking faster, healthier, and with way less mess. You can find all the product links and current prices in the description below. Happy cooking!